Luna and the Lost Rainbow Magic. In a land far, far away, in the magical kingdom of Nevertide, there lived a beautiful unicorn named Luna. Luna wasn't just any unicorn, she was a rainbow unicorn, with a mane that sparkled with every hue of the rainbow. Her horn shimmered with a magical glow, granting happiness and joy to everyone in the kingdom. One sunny morning, as Luna danced across the meadows leaving brilliant rainbows in her wake, she suddenly felt a tingling sensation. Her rainbows faded, and the sparkle in her mane dulled. Luna gasped, for she had lost her rainbow magic. Unbeknownst to Luna, the mischievous pixie, Tricky Trixie, had played a prank, thinking it would be fun to hide Luna's magic. Trixie hid the magic in a crystal that only appeared at the highest peak of Mount Cloudcap, a place shrouded in mysterious fog and guarded by the stormy dragon. Determined to reclaim her magic, Luna set off on her quest, gliding through the enchanted forest where trees whispered and shadows danced around her. As Luna ventured deeper, the path grew darker, and she heard the ominous sound of bubbling from the giggling stream. The stones there were tricky, laughing and giggling to distract any travelers. Luna, clever and always kind, giggled back at the stones and asked, "Why do you laugh, O stones of the stream?" The stones, tickled by her curiosity, revealed a secret stepping path, glowing under her hooves, guiding her safely across. Beyond the stream, Luna encountered the whispering willows, a grove of ancient trees that rustled with the secrets of the winds. From their branches, Luna learned of a shortcut through the hidden hollow of echoes, where every footstep repeated like 1,000 soft whispers. Within the hollow, Luna was greeted by the friendly Echo Elves, who offered her a puzzle. In return for solving it, they gave her a charm of echo dust to shield her thoughts from the stormy dragon. Luna, ever quick, solved the puzzle with ease, her heart full of hope. Finally, Luna arrived at the base of Mount Cloudcap as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with unshed colors. The climb was steep and the fog danced eerily around her like ghostly ribbons. As she ascended, Luna felt anxious but equally determined. With the charm of echo dust, Luna reached the summit without waking the stormy dragon. At the peak, the crystal lay nestled among stars and moonbeams, shimmering with a glint of her stolen magic. As Luna approached, the magic hummed with joy at her return. Luna touched her horn to the crystal, and in a burst of light, her rainbow magic flowed back to her, the colors swirling and twirling back into her mane. The kingdom below sighed with relief as vibrant rainbows arched once again across the skies. Triumphant and grateful, Luna descended Mount Cloudcap, thanking the stones, the willows, and the elves along her journey home. Luck was with her, for Tricky Trixie was waiting with an apology, promising to use her pixie magic for good deeds henceforth. And so, Luna returned to Nevertide, her rainbows even brighter than before, and the kingdom flourished happily ever after, forever basking in the joy and beauty of her colorful magic once more.